Connect power supply. Turn on the machine switch. Check that the cutter head is turned counterclockwise. 1. Straight chamfer. Release the rail locking handwheel first. Put the workpiece on the tabletop and hold it down. Push the rail panel chamfer in the direction of the arrow. If the required chamfering workpiece size exceeds the guide rail, handwheel can be locked. Remove the workpiece positioning block on the tabletop. Push the workpiece in the direction of the arrow for chamfering. Second, curved chamfer. Put the workpiece on the disc. The chamfered surface is close to the nose bearing. Move the workpiece clockwise to perform chamfering. The third chamfer adjusts the size of a line. First, loosen the tightening wheels on both sides of the tabletop. Adjust the left and right feed size handwheel, adjustable according to the reference scale on both sides. Lock the handwheels on both sides of the tabletop. Fourth, arc chamfer size adjustment. First, loosen the adjusting nut under the disc. Toggle the feed size adjustment lever. Go to the required size of the chamfer, then turn the disc to lock. Fifth, linear blade replacement. First, loosen the force fixing screws on the tabletop and remove the panel. This allows the blade to be replaced with a knife wrench. Reinstall the countertop. Sixth, curved blade replacement. First, loosen the adjusting nut under the disc. Rotate the disc counterclockwise to remove. This allows the blade to be replaced with a knife wrench. After finishing, turn the disc clockwise and put it back. 7th, the curved part replaces the R2 angle handle. First, loosen the adjusting nut under the disc. Turn counterclockwise until the disc is removed. This will allow you to remove the curved shank with a wrench, then install the prepared R-angle shank on it. Finally, turn the disc clockwise to put it back. 8th, cleaning and maintenance.